the whole dealie over here. And then it's so covered with freaking rust. Don't want to destroy anything here. Where's my? You're not. You should just go right across and in there. Why are you not? Screwing up my threads. No. I don't know what you're doing. Get my hand in there. Easy. Why it's giving me a hard time. Why wouldn't it? Really bites. Get in there. Correct that. It should just push in, go straight across, and it's not down. Holy crap. It's inside the bowl, right? Can't get my hand between that and let's try. Yeah. You lock the steering wheel up top, man. You know what? The only thing holding them up right now is the steering wheel. It should just slide right in there. Ratchet. Get my ratchet. How warm is it in here? Look at that, 90 degrees. Yeah. About 90 degrees. Only thing holding me up is this. Now. Can't tell you it's going through. I've also got the mount. It's going to be my way. Well, it's going. It's definitely going. It's through. Yeah. It's through. I'm not sure. What's the torque on that? Stereo tightening bolt or bunch of steering nickel bolt. My glasses. Ay. Let's see. Control arm. Rear pivot 7 strap, strap onto cross number. Automatic pinch bolt. Steering column and dash, steering gear, mount bolt, 52, intermediate pinch bolt, reservoir, steering, and it's going to be the steering gear mount. No, steering gear mount bolt is 52, steering, intermediate shaft, 31. Steering wheel bolt, 37. Jesus, it ain't nothing that low. You got anything that low, then that's what I'm talking to. Alright. What are you doing? Go away. You're coming back my way. That's the only thing. It says you want to lock that. You want to lock that, but if you can't get to it, you got to turn the wheel. So you're kind of, mercy this thing. 14. It's a 13. All right. I'm going to try to get it in with a 14 all this time. 13. 13 knot. All right. Now my next step is to get that. I'm going to get that mount. That mounter up there in place. So, that's you. And you are a 17, 16 or 17. Holy cow. Bam. Alright, all those mount bolts are in. I gotta get the center. Gotta get the rear mount. Good. Yeah. They might be having an issue because the front of the engine is loose.
A couple bunnies down there.
Got a couple bunnies down there.
Actually, we got one bunny that I saw.
Oh, good.
But I saw one the other day.
Okay,
I don't know if it's the same bunny.
Okay.
About a foot long.
Huh.
Brown.
Really?
Down by the camper by the pond, going up that way toward that muddy area.
Okay.
Go past my camper and then take that side turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, up there.
Oh.
We're in right in front of me.
Oh.
So I had to hit my brake.
Oh, you didn't have to hit your brake.
I didn't want to hit it.
You ain't gonna hit it.
I didn't want to hit it.
You aren't gonna hit it.
Well, no, because I stopped. let go. I break for rabbits.
You break for rabbits.
Evidently.
Okay, she's ready for stopping for rabbits.
And Pooey, he needs a pair of goggles.
He sticks his head right out there, doesn't
He does. As soon as we go up to come up this hill,
he? Yeah.
at the very top of the driveway,
Uh-huh.
as soon as I hit that stretch of track there,
Okay.
he gets himself right up and he sticks his nose right up in the air and he looks right up at the sky.
Does he really?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Mama is not a fan.
Mom isn't a fan?
No, I tried to get her used to it, but she just don't seem to like it.
Okay.
Pooey, he's a toughie though, but he needs a pair of goggles.
Okay.
Because he sticks his head right out and I don't want him to get whacked by something.
He's a rider.
He is. He don't care what he's riding in. He just likes to ride. And Mom would be okay with it if I could put her on the door next to me because she wants to be in my lap.
Gotcha.
But I have to put both hands on the wheel most times.
Okay.
So I can't really have her on my lap.
Yeah.
But I think I'm done playing. Oh yeah, it's 5:45. I guess I'm done playing. I've been out there for 2 hours.
Yeah, I think we're done playing.
Boy, it don't seem like 2 hours.
Yeah.
That's weird. That's weird because it didn't seem like that long. Is your clock right?
That one is, yeah. Yep.
I've been out there since 4.
We got it out there. We got it out there. All right.
I've been out there since 4. That's almost 2 hours. Seems like I was out there maybe half an hour.
Okay, next then we're gonna go ahead and torque up those subframe bolts. Let's do it. Hubs, suspension, cross brace bolts, 18 foot. Cross member bolts, cross main bolt, 111. Yeah, I'm gonna use the orange one.
So are you really done or no?
110 foot-pounds. Huh?
You really done or no?
Done what?
You said it should be getting done here.
Yeah, it should be getting done here in about a half hour.
Oh, alright.
What you doing?
Going inside.
And?
Didn't know if I was supposed to be starting dinner.
Okay, you can do that.
Well, not much reason to because it's going to be half an hour.
Nice short. Short for 11? I'm going to get a short. Just added a whole half inch. I need 21 short. And this one. How's it going there? 21 short. Where are you? 21 short? I think so. There you go, 21 short. Impact. Alright. Yeah, door. Okay. That's what you're going through here. We'll go through this right here. That boy loose. It's not over 111, which has got to be 110. We'll torque them up. Here, loose. Oh yeah. Now have our subframe installed. That is awesome. Okay. Now we're okay. Okay, I've got the subframe all bolted down. I just started to do the mounts now. Got the center one. Center mount here. Oh, what are you? 15. 14s. Those. My glasses. Engine mount. Engine. Center bolts. Let's see. Transactional mount chassis 54. Yeah, 3 bolt. Insulated left front mount. Front mount. About 55. Alright. Ooh. See, in the transactional mount. Mount insulated to chassis, bolts 55. Mount bracket to engine bolts and through bolts. So 55, 50, and 65. Okay. Yeah, it's nothing. Smallest I took, but wrench goes is inch pounds. This one's good, but. Okay, these are front ones are 15s and the back one's a 16. I need 17, 16. All right, all those are done. See these two front ones. It's going. Front mount to cross member bolt is 35 foot-pounds. It isn't anything. And then your center bolt is 75 foot-pounds. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you about these bolts here. Okay, so I was able to drop the adapter down here. That's awesome, huh? What I need to do is it worked perfect. What I need to do is I need to put a second 2x4. But unfortunately, I needed